So now I've pretty well finished on the portraits for now, and what I've decided to do is really go for it. And I've started off, I've put clean water over the picture, and I've got alizarin crimson, put some more out there, and I'm aiming here to do really bold colours and let the water do its thing again. And what we're on about the fourth layer now, I think, which is a good testament to the quality of Bockingford watercolour paper. Good thick stuff. So I'm applying the orange, if you like, alizarin crimson with a touch of lemon yellow in. And I'm thinking, is this bold enough? So we'll just see. What I'm aiming to do now for the rest of the picture is test it to destruction. So I've given up now with the number 10 round, and I've gone back to my Hake. I'm going, there we go, that's more like what I was after. So we've pretty well got a covering again of liquid all over. And now I'm trying to think sunset now rather than portrait. So I'm trying to focus on the cloud formations and the colours coming through the clouds. If there's anybody who knows, it could go right, it could go wrong. I think either way I'll probably do the whole project again at some point, because I like the idea. So I'm using the number 10 round again to blend. I don't want sharp edges if I can help it. But you see, we've still only used 5 colours, and these 5 colours I trust to behave quite well together. You can see the textures that are happening. While I'm doing this commentary, I've got the painting just to my side and I'm looking at it, and it really doesn't look overworked at all. You know, now it's dried and it's nicely framed. Because even, you know, watching this back, I'm kind of thinking you can't get away with this. But look at some of the beautiful colours that are happening. The distant clouds behind the landscape, they look great. I'm determined to get this red right. See, that's nice. Virtually straight alizarin crimson now. These lines need to be kept horizontal as well. Kind of putting clean water in as well as paint. That's nice there, just to put that over final coating. So that's made the land mass stand out a bit more. This is always something I can't resist doing. The flicks. I'm going to let the film run a little bit here now. You can see how a lot of this paint reacts. I'll just move it around a little bit there. See just that band of red just reacting with all the other colours. And once again, I don't want anything to look too contrived. Some lovely colours happening there now. And like I say, I'm looking at the original, and they've kept the boldness. So now really it's like painting a free portrait. We know it's right because I've looked at it, I'm happy with the likeness, and now I can just blend them in. I've just made a indentation with my clean tissue. That's going to be where the sun is. You saw again, I managed to get to virtually white. So it's as much painting as the actual putting paint on. Is taking it off is just as important. See how sopping wet it is now. I was just getting the first ideas there of putting some sun rays coming through. I know there's a technical term for that, but I just can't bring it to mind. See how quick I'm working now. I've just gone off to get some clean water. You see how the colours are reacting. Right, here we go, yet another layer. And we're going really bold. This is the testing to destruction part now, where I just go and see what happens. So this needs to dry out now, but you see I've let it roll so that you can watch that red and yellow mingling nicely. So I'm going to finish this up in the next lesson. I'll see you soon.